Hi, it's Nika. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm in the process of cleaning out my planner and setting it up for the new year. So I want to show you a flip through of how I used it this year, because in my planner videos I do before the pen, so you don't get to actually see everything. So let's just start at the beginning. And I just have a piece of cardstock on here because I've already taken the cover off. But I'm going to go pretty quickly. This was my very first layout in this planner. And also using this insert. And you can see I do write a lot in here. Right here, I mainly write any memory keeping notes. Right here for Project Life. And sometimes I put little to-dos and our menu for the week. As you can see, it's kind of the same, and I kind of use this layout. I work full-time, so I use the top square, any morning task, before I leave out, any middle of the day errands or tasks that I need to do, and this is usually just my evening notes, menu, same thing on this side, and any checklist. And I think this may have been the first video that I filmed with this new planner. We are into February. I think this was one of my favorite layouts. So I remember taking a picture of that. And I'm not sure what happened this week. There was no decoration, but you can see I did still use it. And busy weeks, there are lots of extra sticky notes. And I just have to say, this has been a very productive year. This planner has kept me on track. And I remember recording this one. There's a process video for this one. And as you can, if you watch my videos, you can see it looks quite different. Like, you know, before the pen. I do go back and add, I think I had a bad day that day. So that sticky note says no. As you can see, some weeks don't get decorated. Actually, I'm not sure what happened that week. And this was one of my favorite layouts with the little doilies. But it wasn't, I don't know, it doesn't look like it was a productive week. And I'm not sure if I recorded this week. This one isn't on my channel, but I can see this is the week where I really started focusing on like creating original designs for my planner and for my shop. And I don't think these ever made it like to the shop. Some stuff I work on and it just, I don't know, it doesn't come out right, or I don't finish it. I think this one is in my shop. And this is another one of my favorite weeks. Oh, and there are gaps like in between each month, because I only carry one month with me at a time. And this is May. This is the only monthly layout that I did in this planner. And this was one of the main things that did not work for me last year. So I need to rethink like how I'm going to do the monthly. And there was a layout. The other side of this layout fell out. As you notice, some weeks just end up with all these sticky notes. We are in July already. Not sure what happened that week. I think this is August. This one is when I moved to a daily planner because August was very hectic. So I was doing a layout each day. This one has like a little flip up with extra notes. And that is the beauty of using an undated layout. It can adjust to your life as needed. Like if you don't need a weekly spread, you need a daily spread, you need to skip a day, whatever. This was another one of my favorite layouts. And I was supposed to go back and add a picture of the first day of school, and I never did that. I may do that before I put this away. I'll put this away in my drawer. with all the rest of my planners from previous years. I don't know, it looks like this week I did a weekly. I was doing weekly, and that one is a daily for the Sunday. We're still in August. Not sure what these little notes are about. More notes. Oh, and this week I tried something different. This is actually the monthly layout. I thought if I had an extra set of boxes, I could squeeze more in the day. I wanted to squeeze in some self-care and some exercise, but it didn't happen. Or it didn't actually work. And these are, I think, another daily. Like, this is some days, if I just have had a lot to do, I had a daily. And this is, let me see, yeah, this is the October monthly. And this is kind of how my monthly looks. Just things in pencil. This is the November monthly. In November, I don't know, I think I kind of fell off in November. November was a very busy month. It was homework, soccer practice, went on vacation, then there was Thanksgiving. So not many layouts in November. This is kind of what my planner looked like in November. Then I started planning December daily. This is my grocery list. And then this is the December monthly. And this was just all the December daily activities. I think this was my Christmas wish list. And then for December, let me see. Yeah, I got back on track. December 6th, I started daily for the rest of December. And as you can see, I don't know, my style was kind of minimal for December. And I had, like, our activity of the day, it was just wrote in big, and then all my tasks written around it. And these numbers match my December daily album, so everything kind of matched. And I think this was my favorite. This was my favorite sticker for December. I think it's on like every other page. And as you can see, like towards the end of, the closer we got to Christmas, like my plans, I don't know, I think I had one last busy day before Christmas. No plans on Christmas, no plans the day after. I was trying to get it back together. And that is it for my planner. I'll be showing my new setup for the year. Oh, these are just the dividers that I pulled out. And there's a printable, like if you want to trace and cut these dividers, I just trace them on scrapbook paper. But I will leave the link to that free printable in the description box. But yes, that was my planner for the year. I hope you enjoy this and stay tuned for my 2019 planner. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.